So it's great to have you back. How have you been?
Oh my God, it feels so good that you recognize me because I think we only had one session together and
Yes.
thank you.
I
I have been
recognize.
so
Yeah, go on.
I have been so good. What about you? How was it? How have you been doing?
I have been doing very well too. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
I
Okay.
also recognize you because of your YouTube channel. So, I keep watching some of our videos on YouTube. So, I particularly recognize you through your YouTube channel. And of course, because of the session that we had together.
Yes, 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 right.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
how was your day today? All
It
good?
was great. It was great. Yeah, all good.
All right. So, did you have the time to go through the document?
Yeah, I have just checked the document that is business ideas, and I thought that okay, it's fine. I can talk about it. I mean, I just checked it. I think 5 minutes back
Yeah, that's
before the
totally
session.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way how I prefer it actually. I don't, uh, you know, it becomes a little difficult for me when a learner goes through it in details and prepares all the answers. So it's not a very spontaneous conversation. Yeah,
Yeah,
it becomes like
absolutely.
a viva then. Yeah.
Yeah, obviously, yes, absolutely right. And I think we should like immediately think and talk. That is the real conversation. I mean,
Yes,
if we are
yes.
prepared, I mean, then obviously we are gonna speak if we are prepared.
Perfect. Yes, yes, exactly
So,
that.
Shambhavi, before we start the topic, can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, yes, of
Okay,
course.
like I want some clarification on people. Actually, I think I said something like people's mindset is still the same. So what should I use? People, people's or people apostrophe s? I'm confused.
People apostrophe s, because people's is not a word. People in itself is plural, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
So people's without the apostrophe is not a word. But of course you need to use the apostrophe when you're referring to, their mindset. So people's
Yeah.
mindset. Yeah.
Okay.
So
People
it's
people mindset would not be isn't is not
no,
correct, right? People mindset, no.
yeah.
Okay. The thing
Apostrophe
is that
s.
people is itself a plural word. That
Yes.
plural word. That's why I thought maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
No, because it's just how we like any other word. So their mindset. So there, it's only when we're using there that we can accommodate everyone. But otherwise, it's always Ram's mindset or Ayushi's mindset. So people's mindset. Unless you want to use their mindset, you will have to use apostrophe s.
Okay. And is there a word peoples without apostrophe exist or not?
No, no, no,
No.
no.
Okay.
That's
Then
something that I keep correcting in a lot of my sessions.
yeah.
Peoples is not a word. People is the plural for person. So there's person, there's people, not peoples.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
And also, while you were saying that, you said people's mindset is changing. Little correction, people's mindsets are changing because,
People.
again, plural.
Okay. People's mindset are changing. Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
All right. So before we start with the topic, we have a little, extempore topic. Do you know what an
Mm-hmm.
extempore is? Have you done that in your sessions before?
Uh, yes, I think I have done in one session. Like it's like we have to talk for 2 to 3 minutes on that particular topic, and it's like a test, like how
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
speak,
it's like a
right?
test, like a fun speaking exercise sort of a thing. We used to have this in
Yeah,
school a
exercise
lot.
sort of.
So,
Yeah,
but in school, the only difference was we used to get the topic right on the spot. But here, you, of course, you know the topic, you've been through it. So, of course, we expect you to be a little more prepared, right?
okay, yeah,
Yeah. So, usually it's supposed to be spontaneous on the spot. So, if it's that way, that's also really nice. And usually it's only one topic that's given to you. You don't have choices. But here we do have two topics and
yeah.
you can choose any one
You
of
can
them.
choose. Yes.
Yeah. So would you like to do that?
Yeah, I would like to.
Perfect. So the topics are, first one is it better to be influential or rich? Okay, so what would you prefer as a person, being influential or being rich? And the second topic is parents should not choose their child's career. Okay,
Okay. First
yeah, so
one is influential,
influential, yeah, I'll
which
type it
means
down.
that we all have influencers. Like we say that he's the influencer. He influenced people. Same.
Yeah, but influence like a large mass of people. So would you rather be influential? Would you rather influence a lot of people? Or would you be rich but isolated? Like, you know, not influence a lot of people, but you are rich, you're happy with yourself and all of that.
Okay, so I would like to be a influencer, influential,
Yes.
influential, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, because I think we are living in a world where we always need each other to like go forward. Or I'm not a person who will just. Sometimes it's fine that we need privacy and we want to be with ourselves, but I think every time it's not gonna work. I like to be around with people.
Mhm.
I like to be around with people. Is it correct?
I like to be around people. That's just it.
Yeah, I like to be around people, and I like to like talk to people, listen to people, share my thoughts and opinions. So I think influential would work for me rather than rich.
Perfect. But when you're influential, all of your acts are very carefully monitored and just as much scrutinized. So
Absolutely.
one act that's not very morally responsible of you, it could again have a very bad influence over a lot of people. So with being more
Absolutely.
influential also comes great responsibility.
Exactly. I think I can relate to it because recently I uploaded a video and I wasn't sure, like I have just cleared the doubt, right? People. So
Yes.
I actually said it correctly, people's mindset. But when I uploaded the video, I thought it should not like convey, I should not convey wrong things to the people. So I made corrections, I make edit like it should not be people's, it's people.
Yeah.
And I got a lot of responses. Some people are like actually correcting me, but some people criticizing me. And so yeah, I can relate it very well.
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
you have to be careful every time when I think you're doing something.
Yes. I completely agree with you. I have been through that also. Like, it's only after Clap and Go that some people started recognizing me after my videos started going up on YouTube. And it's just some days you're having a bad day. You're not in the mood, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I remember it was one of those days in early January, and I did not want that session to be put up, but I was like, yeah, okay. I mean, how many people will watch it? And then I read the comments one day and I was so demotivated and it was just so disheartening. But then I got over it very quickly and yeah. So yeah, it does happen. It does.
Okay, yeah, it happens. But okay, as you mentioned YouTube, I would like to tell you that I also uploaded our video, and it was a very good video. I mean, I got a lot of comments for you, especially that you're so
Oh my
cute,
God.
your way of teaching is so nice. So yeah, like
Thank you
people
so much.
people likes you a lot. I mean, the way you talk, you're sweet. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You just made my day. And how's your
You
channel doing, by the way? How's your channel doing? Well, everything's
it's
going on
doing,
well?
yeah, it's doing so well. I mean, yeah, I think even people keeps telling me that you're doing good. I mean,
Yeah.
you're getting a lot of viewers, and I think that's enough for me.
Yeah, that's really nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And another little correction, people keep telling me, because with plural we don't add the s, right? It's not people keeps telling me, people keep telling me.
Okay, people
Okay,
keep telling me.
yeah, that person keeps telling me and people keep telling me. I'll also write it here to make it more clear.
Okay, when it's singular, it should be keeps. When it's plural, it should be
Yeah,
keep.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I got it. Okay,
I'll also write it so that it makes it more clear.
yes.
All right, so coming to our topic, for today.
Yeah,
It's business ideas.
business ideas. Yes.
So, have you ever thought of starting a business at all?
Nowadays, I think we get to know, or like we heard a lot that business is the like only thing that can make us reach, because job is like 9 to 5, you get your salary, and then once the amount credit in your account, and for whole month it's like debit, 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 debit. So
Yeah.
yeah, business works every time. So of course I thought of it, and I have an idea. I want to, like, if I would get a chance or opportunity in future, I would like to start up a supermarket, because I
Oh,
think
that's a good one. Yeah.
supermarket, because I think this is like this is basic need. I mean,
Yeah.
uh, and the best example is in this pandemic, everyone was temporarily shut, but only the supermarkets or
Yeah.
basic needs things were open, right?
Yeah.
And
Even the pharmacy works in that case.
yeah, pharmacy also. But for pharmacy, we need the license, right? We cannot just
Mhm.
open it. So supermarket, I thought, I mean, from there itself, I get this idea to like, okay, we can do this because this is gonna work really well, and we just have to manage things properly. So yes,
Yeah, I mean, that's a great one. And also, you get to buy free things. So that's just brownie points. You can just pick
yeah,
up things from your supermarket for yourself.
yes, yes, especially chocolates and all. Like, I don't
Yeah.
need to wait, and if I feel
Yeah.
like eating, I can just get it and eat it. Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So, when did you think of this in this pandemic?
Yes, in this pandemic only, when everything was just shut, uh, only supermarkets or people who have a shop of basic needs were making profit or were earning. Other people were just sitting at their homes and waiting to get things open, or that's why I just think that yes, this is a good business idea and we can do this. And I also thought that if by any chance I'll open a supermarket, I'm gonna hire uh, below poverty line people in my supermarket, so that they can get the wages or salary,
Yeah.
rather than hiring people who deserve something better. So
That's
yeah,
a very noble thought. That's a very nice thought. Yeah.
because in this way I think I can able to help people also.
Yeah.
And yes, I think pandemic teaches us this very hard way. So yeah.
Yes. But when people usually think of starting a business, they start with businesses that would, include lesser investment. Because when you're just starting out a business, you cannot afford to invest that much because you don't know if it's going to work out at all.
Yes, yes,
And a supermarket, on the other hand, is a huge investment, right
yes.
from the building to all the products, everything. So, do you have any plans how to work that out?
Okay. So as I have said, by any chance, because I also know that it will need a lot of capital and a lot of planning. So supermarket means it would not be like a DMart. I mean, it would not include everything. Like when we go to DMart, we get everything, right? But
Yes.
for my idea, it would be like only groceries for now. And then if I'll start making profits, then I'll think of adding things. But yes, for groceries also it's quite difficult. So yeah, I think I would have to wait, and I would have to collect my capital, plan things.
Yes.
Maybe I would have to take a loan.
Yeah.
I
Maybe
would
I'll
have
have.
to take a loan
Yeah.
also. So
Mm.
yeah, that's how maybe it would work for me.
Yeah. So you'll start small, with
Yes.
groceries, and then you will continue expanding if it works well.
Yeah.
Great
Yeah.
plan.
Yeah.
Great plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So have you ever shared this with anyone? Have you ever told anyone?
No, not at all. You are the first one, because we got this topic, and I thought, why not this? When I already have this in my mind, then why not sharing
Yeah.
this instead of like creating any other business idea? Because this is something I really want to do from my heart. So I think
Mhm.
if you really want to do something, then I think you can execute it better.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
So, uh, have you ever had any idea that you're afraid to share with people because they might make fun of you or something?
I'm sorry.
Any unusual? Oh, were you getting a call?
Yes, I got a call. I'm sorry.
Completely okay. Happens to me
Okay.
all the time.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was asking if you've had any moment where you were shared to, you were afraid to share your business idea, this or anything else, with people because you thought they might make fun of you or
Yeah.
something like that. Have you ever had such a moment?
Absolutely. I was at a certain level, at a certain point in my life, I was the same person like you just asked me. But now I think I'm pretty much confident. Maybe YouTube helped me a lot. And yes, now I think I understand that when you have something, obviously I'll share with them, but they are not going to help me to build that. I am the only person who is going to build that. So better not to like tell them or share with them who are going to criticize me or like stop me or would pull my legs. So better
Mhm.
I would just the one phrase is that like
Work in silence
hard
and let you
work,
succeed.
yeah, work in silence and make you and let your success make the noise, right?
Yeah,
So
yes.
yeah, that's what I think I should do, and everyone should do who think that they can do. And if they share, then that might be a disadvantage for them. So I think
Yes,
that's it.
yes. It demotivates a person greatly. So yeah, that's a great attitude to have.
Yeah.
So, have you come across any sort of a business that greatly inspired you? That you thought, "Wow, this is unusual. I could never have thought of this." Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So business. Okay. So one of my friend has like started something that is giving or providing a facility of like we have ornaments or accessories, right, for girls especially. We have a lot, I mean, and
Yes.
we sometimes we wear in one occasion or in one
At
program.
one
And
station.
yeah, at one occasion. Uh, and at this and next time we don't want to wear the same and we would like to have
Yeah.
the other one, right? So she
Yeah.
has started like a rent jewelry on rent. Jewelry is correct.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So that
You
kind of
studied
stuff she
printing jewelry. Yeah.
jewelry I can say, right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. That kind of thing she has started, but I don't know what happened. Maybe she wasn't she did not get the proper response, or maybe she has some issues, so she just stopped it temporarily. But I still think that could have worked, because this is something really nice idea, right? Because now
Yes.
everyone, yeah,
Totally.
ev- everyone wants to explore. I mean, whatever the thing, whether it is clothes or whether it is cloth
Yes.
or jewelry or anything.
Yeah,
So yeah.
I mean, a similar business. I mean, when you scroll Instagram these days, there are so many small business owners.
Yes.
And it's
Yes.
so great to have all of them. And most of them are, this thrift shop business owners. So, again, like thrifting is a great thing that our generation has come up with. I don't think people before our generation, used to thrift that much. Or do you know what thrifting is?
No, that's what I was about to ask you. Like
Yeah,
once
yeah,
you're
I
done.
could guess that. I could guess that. So
Yes.
that's why I stopped. So it's basically, sometimes you buy a cloth and maybe it doesn't fit you correctly and you're unable to return it. So it's new, but it's just, hanging just like that in your wardrobe. It's of
Okay.
no use.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what these thrift shop owners do, they take that, piece of cloth from you, they pay you for it, and then they sell it to someone else. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So it's a great.
Interesting.
So there are thrift shops which sell jewelries, which sell clothes, um, all sorts of things. So again, it's a very good concept that we have come
Yeah.
up with.
And innovative also. I mean, who no one can think about. I mean, easily, no, we cannot think about it, because I
Yes.
think it took a long time to come up this kind of business or this kind of idea, and it's
Yeah.
really nice. Even I didn't know this. You tell me, that's why I get to know.
Oh, you should search that. It's also, becoming very popular among influencers because it's very sustainable. One,
Yeah,
you can buy, you can thrift clothes low, at very low prices. So they sell it for negligible amount of price. So that's one good thing. It's very, it's very affordable. It's sustainable. You're not buying anything. You're just, getting something that was of no
yeah,
use to someone else.
yes,
So
yes,
it's
yes.
really nice.
It's very nice. Yes,
So, like when you mentioned about your friend's business and it could not work out, that's another like negative, not negative, but another risky aspect of a business. That if it does not work out, all of your investment and all of your thought, it just, goes down the
yeah,
drain.
yeah.
So, what do you
Actually,
think
what
about
I think we need to put a lot of effort to like work out
make
anything
it work? Yeah.
to make it work, right? And it may be anything like business, or if we are learning something or anything. So I think people are anyways demotivate demo, demotivate you, or like uh, pull you back, but we just
People
need to be
will,
focused. People
yeah. So since you're talking in the future tense right now, people
people
will
would,
anyway, yeah, people will or people would anyway demotivate you.
yeah,
So
people would anyway demotivate you. So I think we should first of all make our mind that I'm not gonna distract anywhere, and I would be focused. And yeah, I think that is the only solution to make it work, whatever you plan.
perfect. So when we talk about, a smart scaled business owner, what qualities do you think a business owner should possess or an entrepreneur should possess? One, of course, is, this risk taking ability. But other
Yes,
than that, what else?
I think knowledge. You should have knowledge about your product, whatever you're going to like start or you're going to launch. You should be a knowledgeable person, so that if someone
So,
asks you a tricky question, you should be ready to answer them. Otherwise, your image will get like, if he don't know how, why is he selling this kind
yeah.
of people exist. That's why I think you should have all knowledge about your product. And yeah, I think this is the one thing is
Yeah, like you should,
compulsory.
yeah, I mean, your research should be strong and you should
Yes,
be able to answer all of the queries, all of the people who are discouraging you and are coming with, all sorts of excuses for you to not start your business. I mean, yeah,
yeah.
you
Okay,
should have,
Shambhavi, I think if
yeah,
before disconnecting our call, can you please like tell me my mistakes? I think I'm making mistakes, a lot of mistakes.
yeah. No, not a lot of mistakes, nothing to worry about. So I usually do this in the last minute or the last 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Um, yeah. So mostly whenever you made a mistake, I corrected you then and there.
yeah, yeah.
Just one little thing is that you can look to improve upon a little bit more is your usage of tenses. So sometimes, so you need to be very, very conscious of when is that event that you're talking about taking place. If it's in the past, you have to use the past tense.
Yeah,
You were telling me something about we heard a lot of people during the
yeah,
pandemic, right? And
yes,
you were
yes.
constantly using we hear or the present form of that tense.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
so you need to be very, very conscious of what tense you're using. One
yeah,
advice that I give to a lot of my learners is to solve worksheets on Google, look for worksheets, practice sheets,
yeah, yeah.
and try solving those. That really helps.